Hey guys, it's Joe here from Just Pick Productions. Sorry for the weird intro, but it's on my table. So today, as you can see by the title, we're doing an unboxing of the Odyssey 7-in-1 Travel Multi-Tool. Black and silver. As you can see, Odyssey. I'll take this off. Have my little, what is it? This. To cut this off. If I can get it. Ooh. That's all I have right now. 1 second. There we go. No. There we go. Got it off. So here's a travel tool. Has a 17mm wrench. It has a 15mm wrench attached onto it. 15mm wrench. And 17 socket wrench. This is Odyssey on it. Jeez. And then there's these Allen wrenches, but to get them out, you gotta push through the bottom. Like that. So it has a, what does it say? I think that's a 10. And we have a 6, 5, and then 4. So I'll do like all your needs for your bike. So that's cool. So that's basically it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in 1. Where can I attach this? Wait a minute. Oh, it fits almost perfectly. Right in that little slot. I can always keep it like that, maybe if I want. Or I can just put it in there. Yep. So, and that's not it. I'll move that off to the side. Not sponsored, wish I was. But I have a bike floor pump. Audew, whatever that is. I just got it on Amazon, to be honest. So, I'll put the links in the description for these. Okay, so here's the pump. It says it comes with some bike tire patches, 6 of them. Comes with the little sander to get it all rough. Comes with, so there's a mounting bracket. I just took it out of the box, to be honest. But it comes with 2 screws if you want to mount it onto your mountain bike. Sorry if there's no face. But actually, I'll bring this one up here. So yeah, comes with this little hose thing. Yes, the actual thing, but it comes with an extra cap too. Can't forget about that. Comes in this little cool little box, so that's good to have. So I'm building a little kit so I can always fix my bike or somebody's bike. So that's what it looks like. Is it Audew? Yeah. So as this, pretty sure this is for something. Yeah, but that goes right there. So this should go on the ground, the bottom, or on the floor. So there's stands up like that. So this little Sorry for the camera angle. So this comes out. Just gotta pull a little bit. And then there's a cap. It can go on, I forget what it's called. Starts with a P, and it's usually for road and mountain bikes. Usually starts with a P. It's Presta, I think. Yeah, Presta. You can do Presta valves, Schrader valves. You can even put a needle in there for like a ball, you know, like basketball, football, stuff like that. And then so yeah, and then what am I saying? So this, I figured this out. It's like this. So then there's a little finger right there. You can go like that. That's how you hold it. And then you go up to 130 psi, I'm pretty sure. So you can pretty sure this is for your foot, I guess, if you put it on the ground, or the hand. But yeah, I like these. I got them as a kind of late birthday present, but not really, you know, if that makes sense at all. Oh yeah, this little thing turns without turning the tube. That's cool, so it can go right into its little spot. Like that. And then you can get the little tube like holder. This. And then put it around like that. And yeah, if you guys didn't see in the last video, I got this boot because my pedal, I think I already explained it, so go check that out. Smashed right into my Achilles tendon. So yeah. Audew bike pump. And then Odyssey. So yeah. It's been Joe here from Just Freak Productions. See you guys in the next video. Bye!